If you're looking for something truly iconic on Portugal's Riviera, then you need to check this out. Introducing Tanagra, a grand 10-bedroom estate in Estoril with a presidential past. This elegant villa was designed in 1949 by a renowned architect, and its very first resident was a former Cuban president. Set on a 1,300 square meter lot, this 3-story home blends timeless Portuguese architecture with rare flexibility. It's perfect for large families, multi-generational living, or hosting in style. There's even a detached guest house for added privacy. Inside, you'll find original tiles, handcrafted stonework, arched doorways, and sunlit interiors that radiate warmth and heritage. And outside, lush gardens surround a private pool and a panoramic terrace with sweeping Atlantic views. Located just 15 minutes away from the beach, the Estoril Casino and top dining spots with easy train access to Lisbon, Tanagra is the ultimate mix of luxury, history, and convenience.